Hey everyone, welcome back to Earning Link channel. Today, we'll be creating a complete text to PDF converter with a sleek design, colorful styling, and a download option. This is an AI prompt for Chatgpt 3.5. You can use this free of cost for all time, and all the details of this prompt are defined in brief in this video. Explanation. This script creates a stylish text to PDF converter with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. The HTML sets up the basic structure, the CSS provides a clean and attractive design, and the JavaScript handles the conversion logic using a simple PDF content generation method. Remember to include a PDF generation library like JSPDF for more advanced features. Please check the description of this video for AI prompt for text to PDF converter. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. See you in the next video.